Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on me doing some lash extensions on myself. I have kind of tried it before, but not this method. It was really easy, really simple. I feel like anybody can do this, especially with the type of lashes that I'm using versus like the ones that you have to like pull it off and stuff like that. So if y'all want to see me install these lashes that I'm actually wearing now, I did the lashes yesterday, so I have slept with them and they are still on and everything like that. So if y'all want to see me do this little lash set, then keep on watching. To get this video started off, we have a sponsor in this video and it is Dossier. So let's hop into the fragrance items that I got in this video. As you know, Dossier is a luxury perfume company. They do make dupes of high-end perfumes. So this is the box. I did videos on them many times, okay? And this is the inside of the box. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And then you also have this paper in here which is going to tell you the notes that are in it. It's going to give you the name that Dossier has named it. It's going to tell you the fragrance that it was inspired by, the concentration percentage. They also have a thank you, and then they also tell you how Dossier works. So it says your Dossier order has arrived and now it's time to test out your new perfume. Do you love the smell? How does it feel on your skin? If you're not in love, you are always able to return your bottle. Simply head to the returns page on dossier.co to create a return label and ship it back to us. We got you covered. So if you get it and you don't like it, you can definitely send it back. So this one is the Maison Francis Kirk Dijon, and one is the Amoureuse Extrait de Parfum. I'm not sure exactly how to say it, but this is a really high-end dupe perfume, okay? And the Dossier name of it is Floral Sandalwood. The top notes are pear, tangerine flower, and violet. The middle notes are amorous, orris, and jasmine, and the base notes are vetiver, musk, amber, and sandalwood. Okay, so this is the bottle. All of the bottles are the same. They just will have, you know, the label printed on the front. It's really sleek and simple, and the lids are magnetic. That's always something that I have liked about them. I have so many of these that I definitely want to do a full collection video about all of my Dossier fragrances, but I just keep getting more and more, so it's like, girl, when I'm gonna do the video? Okay, so this one is the Floral Sandalwood, and I haven't actually smelled it yet. I do have on perfume, but I'm just gonna kind of spray it on this side so I can kind of, you know, get the aroma. And I definitely smell like floral sandalwood. Like it definitely smells kind of like woodsy, sandalwoody, but it's definitely also very florally. If I had to compare this to anything that is similar in my collection, I would say this reminds me of the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. Like it's kind of similar to that. Like that's the closest thing that I can think of to describe it, but it's not the same. So if you have that one, you know, this one is not the same. So that is that one, and then this is the next one. The box is the same and everything like that. So this one is called Woody Sandalwood, and this is the Le Labo Santal 33 Eau de Parfum. Okay, and the notes in this, the top notes are violet leaves and cardamom. The middle notes are orris, ambrox, cedarwood, and cyprol, and then the base notes are musk, sandalwood, and amber. Okay, this one is a woody sandalwood, so it should smell like really musky. So let's just see. I can't really smell it like whenever I'm just smelling the bottle. I don't want to spray it on myself again, so I'm just going to use the card as a little tester. Okay, yes, I definitely could smell like woody sandalwood vibes. It actually smells pretty sexy. It almost kind of gives a little bit of a masculine scent to it. Yeah, it almost smells kind of masculine. It's definitely giving me like night out type of perfume, woodsy, kind of wintry. Like it smells really good. Like I don't know if I'm smelling the other perfume mixing in with it, but it smells really good. So those are the two fragrances that I have from Dossier to show you in this video. So let's get into the video. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I am going to be using the Kiss Mascara and also these Dossier lashes. I will have them both listed in my Amazon storefront because I have made one for y'all with all of my favorite products. So I'm just going to go in and start off with the bond side of the mascara and just coat my lashes. Now, I will say if you just use this on its own, maybe they won't last a full week like mine's did. But what I actually did end up doing, I put them on first with just the mascara, and then I ended up going back doing the mascara and just dipping my lash band slightly into my bonding glue. You can use your eyelash glue or whatever you want to use just to give it a little bit more staying power. Or you could just use the mascara, you know, personal preference, whatever you want to do. But you can see here, I am just putting the lashes on. I'm starting with 20. I zoomed in so y'all could get all up close and really see what I'm doing. And since the bands are longer, it's just super fast and it doesn't take a lot of time. I definitely did this set in probably under 5 or 10 minutes, like super fast lashes. So I'm gonna go in and do 3 20s and then I'm gonna do 2 18s on the front portion, and that's it. So I only used 5 little lash pieces or 5 lash clusters to do each eye, so that's 10 in total. So these lashes, you know, your pack can last you for quite a while to do some different sets and everything like that. And they definitely come in shorter lengths if you like, you know, 16 or whatever. They do have shorter ones available as well. But yeah, I think these are super easy to do and great, like if you're going on a trip or anything like that, or just for, you know, a day-to-day basis if you prefer to do this style of lash versus going to get them done. Like you could do it at home really, really easy. And let me tell y'all, whenever you get lash extensions, they do not be lasting that long, like 2 to 3 weeks at the most, and then they all be falling out. So I'd rather just do it at home because, girl, I don't have time to be going to sit there. So yes, I went ahead and did the other eye. And here I wanted to show y'all how I actually removed them, because some of the Amazon reviews do say that whenever you pull them up from the tray, they just tear up. But I took my time and did it with a tweezer, and you can see how it came up. None of the hairs came out. And then I go ahead and take my larger tweezer to actually apply it. So this is how it looks with both of the lashes done. And I did want mine a little bit more curled, so maybe I need to get one that has a tighter, you know, more curled up kind of look. But this is the end result of how it turned out. Let me know if y'all tried this out, and I will have the lashes and everything linked down below for y'all. Okay, dolls, so that pretty much concludes the lashes. I did do my makeup today and everything, so you can see like the final look of how everything looks. I just did like really simple soft glam with just like bronzer as my eyeshadow and stuff like that. So I think it turned out cute, and the lashes still look nice. Like, it's perfect for me. I could even probably go a bit longer. So I did actually use 20 millimeters and also 18 millimeters. I will link them down below in case y'all want to pick up the same exact ones that I used, but they do come in other lengths, so you can get like 16 or whatever you want if you want them shorter. But this is how the casing looks once again, and it is the Dossier, I believe that's how you say it, false lashes. So yeah, I just used 20 and 18, and it gave me this kind of look. I would probably buy some that are a little bit longer if I want to get, you know, a little bit more dramatic, but I really like these for like just all the time. Like, this is my kind of vibe. So yeah, I want to find some that are like more wispy and bushy like, because I like those kinds as well. So I may do another video in the future, and I will try to update y'all down below in the comments on how long they actually lasted. So I'm gonna just be, you know, wearing them, washing my face, doing everything, sleeping, and then I will see how long they actually last, and I will comment down below. If I forget, y'all remind me, and I will put it down below, you know, how long they actually last before they start popping off. So yeah. Okay, dolls, so really quick update. It's been a week and 1 day since I did my lashes. I don't have my hair done right now, so I just want to show you how the lashes look. If you can see, this one is hanging off. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can really see, just so you can kind of get an idea of how long they last. So this lash is hanging off. It's kind of hard to see, but it's kind of like hanging off. So it's like it's still on, but it is coming off. This lash also here is kind of coming off, but it's still attached. But you can see it's kind of like a gap in between here. And I was kind of messing with it whenever I went to get my nails done last week, and yeah, but it stayed on, so I was glad about that. And as you can see here, I am totally missing a lash, which is right here. So I have the lash here, so you definitely could reuse them. I feel like they kind of lose curl over time, or maybe it's just because they're kind of growing out and dropping a bit. But for the most part, they are still on pretty good. I can see some spots where it is kind of like starting to lift off a bit, but after a week and a day, you can see how it looks. This is how my lashes look. So I did my lashes on last Sunday, and today is Monday, so it's been exactly 1 week and 1 day. And yeah, I think they still look pretty good. Like, I would definitely have to go in and touch up anything, but for me personally, I'm probably just going to remove them and do a different set, or just do my strip, or whatever, you know, I decide to actually do. But this is how they look. So just so you kind of get an idea of, you know, how long they kind of last. And yeah, if y'all have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.